see what kind of metal moves or rather what kind of moves metals have posted after the top gainers when it comes from the space. Ashesha is here to give us a detailed analysis exactly what's happening in that space as well as what should one look out for. Ashesha, over to you, and looks like you're on a roll looking at the sectors that you're covering every day in news.
Absolutely, and look at the kind of steam we've seen in metal stocks over the last few months. In fact, Nifty Metal Index year-to-date basis has been a clear outperformer. Nifty Metal Index is up nearly 9% on a YTD basis at a time when Nifty 50 has given returns of nearly 3 to 3.5%. Jindal Stainless, NALCO, SAIL are some of the top gainers on the Nifty Metal Index on a year-to-date basis. One of the reasons, of course, is the improving data that has come in from China. China's March manufacturing PMI data has come in much better than expected. Remember, there were concerns about recovery in real estate demand from China, and perhaps we are seeing some positive signs that have come in, because of which commodity prices globally are on a tear and metal stocks in India are also rising. Let's also talk about some commodities, in particular copper, for instance, is up nearly 5.5% in the last 1 month. Several Chinese copper smelters have indicated production cuts to the extent of 10 to 15%. Which could probably lead to undersupply in the market, because of which global copper prices are on the rise. In fact, Goldman Sachs expects copper prices to touch $10,000 per ton by the end of the year, and because of this, we have Indian players the likes of Hindustan Copper also gaining on the back of this news. Apart from this, let's also talk about iron ore, because iron ore prices have been falling. They're now below that $100 per ton mark. Poor inventory, rising inventory and lower data from Chinese steel demand was the main reason why iron ore prices continue to fall. But remember, this is a positive for steel manufacturers, because iron ore is a key raw material that is required for steel manufacturing, especially for non-integrated players the likes of JSW Steel. Falling iron ore prices is a big positive, and because of the fall in iron ore prices, analysts, of course, also expect a fall in steel prices going forward. But for now, global data that has come in not only from China but across the board from across emerging markets seems to be positive, and that is why global commodity prices.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.